some of those tractors. They didn't look like that when I had them. But I had them set around. I just kind of got rid of them. On we go. 15,000. We're going to get the competitive class here. Ron Tyler in St. Matthew, 2805. The heavyweight class tonight, 15,000. All the dollars come and go, and the people, if you got any suggestions, one of us guys are trying to help out with the committee here at the Dairy Days. Don't be afraid to step up and tell us what you think and what you'd like. Okay, Larry Timmerman, Cuba City. 350 feet to be 71. Well, Larry's going to be a couple foot short, but I'll tell you what, he looks at Tiger tractor, know that he's behind. Okay, we got Larry Timmerman in the number 2 spot, and we got another tractor coming down the line. We got Edmund Dinklage, and I can't believe Edmund is driving his tractor. But maybe it is. No, it is Edmund, I believe. Yeah, they got Edmund on the tractor. Hey, come on, Edmund, turn the thing in a nice lawn. Go, Scott, go! Like I said before, the Elks and their yummy sweet corn and hamburgers and cheeseburgers and just about everything you can think of is great. Okay, Chad Yeager, here he goes. 352.